Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I just want to share my experience using this Tata Play connection, this TV connection for 2.5 years. When I purchased my Thomson TV, since then I opted to go for this dish TV only instead of this cable connection. In my place, in my village, I have the local connection also, means this dish operator also, but I choose this one because at some point of time, like 2 to 3 months, I'll be out of the station. At that point of time, I won't recharge this. For that flexibility, for that advantage, I prefer to go for this dish TV. And I want to tell you the advantages and disadvantages. And first of all, this is not a promotional video, and through my reference there is one more TV which is also a Tata Play. I'll show you. Just because of my usage experience, one of my relative also took this Tata Play connection. And coming back, I'll go to my home in the TV room, in the living room. I'll show you how it is. Means I'll just switch on my TV and I'll show you. And before that, during these 2.5 hours, did I get any service? Means any fault or something like that? Yes. 2 months back, I got my TV was not working. Means there is no reception of signal, and I'll tell you. And I raised a complaint, and the problem was solved within a day. But here, it is just because of this movement. Means kids are playing on this terrace, and by accidentally they somewhat moved this something like that, this river receiver, I guess. And the technician came, he didn't do anything. Just he tightened something here, and without even he touching also, the TV was okay. But because it is not an actually an issue or an error. And you may ask few questions like, what is the quality? TV quality is awesome. And first of all, mine is not a HD setup box, mine is SD only, standard definition only. And that is the HD box. And coming to the quality, my TV is Thomson 4K TV. So when I watch channels, the TV channels on this SD, it is pretty good. Basically, I don't prefer to watch in HD. That's the reason I preferred in SD, standard channels. And one main advantage is the minimum recharge. When I first take this Tata Play is 50 rupees. Now it has increased to 200, but still it is fine. My monthly pack is 250 rupees. That's the major advantage of this. I don't know about other providers. And for, once again I'm saying, this is not a promotional or a comparison also. I am not comparing this to any dish TV operator. Just want to share my experience for the educational purpose only. And one more thing what I can say is the remote also I didn't get any issues. The same remote what I received at the starting, I'm using that. And when the time of purchasing this, it like it's like 1,250 rupees, I guess, initially, for this wiring, this setup. And for the technician, it's free of charge. And what are the questions? Yes, how it will be when it is raining. Only if there is really heavy much raining, at that only a slight interruption is there. But otherwise, if the rain is moderate, the TV won't get interrupted. Means the signals won't get interrupted. And that too, maybe see here, my this TV has no obstruction. Means no obstacles or nothing here. There is a clear sky here. Maybe that's one of the reason. Maybe it maybe changes. I don't know much technical knowledge about this. But during these 2.5 years, TV was uninterrupted. Means the signals or anything, the channels or anything. And whenever there is cricket channels, with Tata Play mobile app only, I can add a channel, I can remove a channel. One thing I am really satisfied about that. And coming to the disadvantages, I don't see much disadvantages or any unavailability of other channels also. Almost all channels are available. So if you do have any other means issues, you can comment down, or if you have any other questions, you can comment down. I'll go to my living room and I'll show you my TV experience. Yeah, I told you, right, this is my Thomson TV. I'll just switch on it, and if you observe, this is the Tata Sky, and this is my Wi-Fi router. Okay, this is my Tata Sky, and I'll show you the remote also. Yeah, This is the remote what I received. Tata Play only. Tata Sky. I'm sorry. Tata Sky it was, but it actually renamed to Tata Play, I guess. Okay. Yeah, this TV it's like 19,000 I bought before 3 years, and it was really looking good. If possible, I'll attach in the product section. If you want, you can check. I'll just mute this. Okay, see these are the channels. These are the standard channels. Okay, this is not the HD, and it is working really good.